some characteristics of the t-distribution. So it's bell shape, same as the normal distribution. The mean, median, and the mode are at the center of the distribution. Same as with the standard normal distribution. On this side, we're going to have positive t-scores plus t-scores. And to this side, we're going to have negative t-scores. Let me separate my distribution. I think I already said that the mean, median, and the mode are at the center of the distribution. That means on each side we have 50% of the distribution. This curve actually never touches the x-axis. It just means the probability does get smaller though, as it keeps going and going on forever. It is flatter here compared to the standard normal of a same size. But as you can see, for a distribution that has only two observations, the tail is fat. It's pretty fat here. When it's a 10, it gets even fatter. That's nice. By the time we hit, if we have a very large sample size, or by the time we hit 30, it approximates the normal distribution. What I mean by approximate is that they look almost identical in their shape. And that's always good for us because a lot of the assumptions in statistics is that we have a normal distribution. So just a side note, the t-distribution was actually created by an employee of Guinness, the beer. And the reason why they had to create their own distribution was because their observations were about barrels of beer. So they didn't have that many of them. They were dealing with small samples, and that's why they had to use distribution created for small samples, meaning that the tails here, they were going to have more probability because they were fatter tails. And that helped them in the sense that they didn't always commit the type 1 error. So go back and review what type 1 error is. We are going to use a new table, and you can find it here, but it's also, the link is also posted in Canvas.